This is Dr. Divya. Today's topic is genetics and variability of plant pathogens. So, what is a variant? When progeny shows variations in characteristics from parents is called as a variant. Physiological specialization. So, within the species of a pathogen, there exist certain individuals that are morphologically similar but different. Their physiology, biochemical character, and pathogenicity, and are differentiated on the basis of their reaction on certain host genera or cultivars. Physiological races, a group of population within a species which have ability of infecting a particular genotype and do not differ in their morphology but have physiological differences such as specific host or food type or pathogenicity. Variability, it is the property of an organism to change its character from one generation to the other. So within this species, there are further subgroup of individuals that infect different variety of the host, such as subgroups are called races, strains. A subgroup within a species of race characterized by a common position of single of a few new character and differ only in a few minor character from parent are called biotypes. Breakdown of resistance. This term is used when a previously resistant variety suddenly develops disease. It implies that the host has changed, that the resistance mechanism no longer work. So new pathogen races have developed because of selection pressure that was put on population by the host resistance mechanism. So these races are identified the ability to cause disease on member of a set of 10 different varieties that contain specific resistance genes. So here we are showing this in this diagram. So this is defined by ability to develop on the specific host genotypes. Variability in fungi, these are the heterokaryosis, recombinations, parasexual, mutations, cytoplasmic adaptation. So hybridization, so mating of dissimilar strain or species of fungi to haploid nuclei with a different genetic material combined to form a diploid nucleus. So example, basidospores haploid form different races often infect the same leaf or plants. So chances of a dikaryotizations of high. So heterokaryosis, hyphae or parts of hyphae, certain nuclei which are genetically different, generally of two different kinds. This condition is known as heterokaryosis. So the phenomena is commonly brought about by hypal anastomosis between mycelia of two parental genotypes. So in Ascomycina and Basidiomycina. Parasexualism, first demonstrated by Pontecorvo in Aspergillus nidulans. So parasexualism is the process by which genetic recombination can occur within fungal heterokaryon. Stage first heterokaryosis, second one is recombinations. So dissimilar nuclei to fuse and produce diploid known as a mitotic recombination. Then recombination without the sexual cycle. So there is a no fine coordination between the plasmogamy, karyogamy and haplodigetions. This sequence of overall different events has been described in the parasexual cycle. Parasexualism importance. So in the fungi like penicillium like Milicians friticides, so mitotic recombinations may represent a most important method of generating new races, especially in countries like India, where sexual stages of the fungus is rare due to the scarcity of the alternate host, barberry. This found in common in Deuteromycotina. Recombination, when two haploid nuclei containing different genetic material unite to form diploid nucleus, when undergo meiotic division produce new haploid. So recombination of genes occur during meiotic division of zygote as a result of crossover in which part of chromatid of one chromosome of A like which part of chromatid one chromosome for a pair are expressed in within the other. Importance in fungi like Puccinia graminis. So these strains like homokaryons, haploids, their cytoplasmic fusion that first steps like a plasmogamy and then mixed haploid nuclei, they make a heterokaryons, and when fusion of some nucleolide, they make a heterozygous diploids. So after that mitosis happen, then the parental and recombinant genotypes found in restoration of haploid state then make a homokaryon haploid, different types of found. Cereals rust fungus variability. So races of rust pathogen Puccinia graminis differ from each other in shape and size of a urospores, but principal difference between them is preferences for groups of hosts is different member of Gramini, like Sickles, Avini. Mutations, so sudden heritable changes in genetic material of an organism. Mutation represent change in sequences of a bases in DNA, either by substitutions or by deletion, addition. So mutations are spontaneous, may occur due to. So these first, like improper cell division, abnormalities during division, physical radiations, mutagenic chemical. So cytoplasmic adaptations. So pathogen develop capacity to perform biochemical reactions which were not present in their earlier. So that utilize protoplasm of unfavorable hosts. Adaptations to new cytoplasm. So three types of cytoplasmic adaptability. First one is a pathogen. Pathogen adaptability like may acquire tolerance to toxic materials, utilization of a new types of cytoplasm, changes in virulence, like variability in bacteria. This third process is found like conjugation, transformations, transduction. So first one is conjugations, transfer of DNA from one bacterial cells to another donor cell, F positive, transfer DNA to recipient cell, F negative. In these two compatible bacteria come in contact and exchange the portion of a plasmid chromosome through conjugation bridges a pilus. This diagram showing the like donor cell attached to a a recipient cell with its pilus. The pilus draws the cell together and the cells contact one another. And third one strand of plasmid DNA transfer to the recipient, and the last the recipient synthesize a complementary strand to become a positive cell. The donor synthesize a complementary strand, restoring its complete plasmid. Transformation DNA taken from external environment by absorption. So these are the DNA fragments from donor cells, and these are the chromosome DNA. So the first one, the recipient cell takes up DNA, donor DNA, and then recombination occurs between donor DNA and recipient DNA. So and the different other degraded and recombinant DNA. Third one is transduction, transfer of bacterial gene with a bacteriophage. This is a diagram of bacteriophage. Capsid head containing DNA. This is a collar, sheath, and the spikes, tail fiber. This is the process of the transduction. Variability in viruses. Recombination so may result from mixed infections of two strains of the viruses. Occurs mostly during replications. Mutations results from nucleotide changes in the coding region due to additions of deletions, replacement. So ultimatum disease to functional changes in the genes.